So within ONET, within the ONET Resource Center, which is part of the internet-based career exploration system, there's the ONET Interest Profiler. So where with our imaginary patient Mike Jones, he made a list of some of the vocational interests or educational interests. Like I say, with the Bloom's taxonomy of action verbs, you're going to ask them to make a list, explain, define some of the things that they're interested in, whether it's educational or vocationally. So where Mike Jones, he was interested in being a welder, which we just had a look at. This is where you would go with a patient who didn't really know maybe they don't know what they would like to do. They give you the I don't know answer. I don't know. What do you want to do? I don't know. Or they'll, want to be an astronaut. but this is the ONET Interest Profiler. So there's a couple of things going on here. So this is an instrument, a tool that we could use to find out what you're interested in. And you can go there, come here with the patient in your office. They could also do it on their own if they have some laptop or some internet access. They could do it themselves. But it's a questionnaire. But you could do it as a web-based questionnaire. You can also download the pencil and paper. It's in Spanish. There's a lot you could do here. So let's just go to the web-based option. So with the patient sitting in their treatment plan that you're going to do this. So here you are doing it. And like we say, with SMART goals, that this is measurable. This is observable. You're there with the patient doing it. And it's easy to document that in your session notes. You can even record these sessions. But okay, so this is take the web-based interest profiler. Let's click on that. So there's some explanations here that you can read, but in preparation for this, I've done this before, but in preparation for making this video, I've clicked through all of these. So I just want to get to the actual testing. So this is how the tests are going to be graded. Well, it's up here. And the next one is going to be the actually start taking the test. So the patient is going to fill this out. They're going to answer these questions from strongly dislike to strongly like. Okay? Build kitchen cabinets, lay bricks and tile, blah, 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 blah. Proofread records or forms, manage a retail store. So they're gonna click on this, what they like. Okay? And I'll let you go through it. Strongly like. Study ways to reduce water pollution. Yeah, why not? Oh, we have to answer something now. Okay, so as we're answering our way through, write books and plays. Love to do that. It's kind of going along here. So I'm not going to fill all these out because it's not going to let me click next until we complete this section. But you could do it with the patient. It's a lot of fun doing these things. And it turns out they might be interested in something that they didn't realize that they were interested in. Okay, so here the results come out. And then job zones with jobs and career paths and training. So this is a tremendous resource that you can work with the patient to give them an idea of what they might like to do or give them some options. Plus it gets their interests. It's a lot of fun as well. So this is another tremendous resource for you to do vocational or educational counseling and figure out career paths and do it with the patient. You can put it in their treatment plan. You could do it with them, so it's SMART because it's specific, it's measurable, observable, and you're doing it with them, so you're observing. It's easy to document in a documentation note. Did the ONET Interest Profiler online as part of the internet-based career exploration system with the patient during the session. And that's the note. And you can print out the results and add it into their treatment plan. So this is good documentation too. Okay, so that's a tremendous resource. If you didn't know about it, you know about it now, and have fun with it. And let's move on to the next part of the course.